Hello, my name is Victor. I'm a software engineer at Grafana Labs, and I want to show you a bit more front-endy things with Prometheus. So I want to show you our newest additions to Prometheus filtering in Grafana. So the first thing that has changed is the interface itself. We're moving away from this UI that can potentially occupy quite a bit of the dashboard space when dealing with many filters, to a more clean and compact design. You can see, for example, the labels with many value selections are being concentrated in smaller pills, and the full value list is now visible on hover. The new design also allowed us to enhance functionality quite a bit. So one enhancement is now we have better keyboard accessibility. So you can cycle between the labels better, tap cycle between it, add, edit, or remove. And next we have the dashboard default filters. So they allow you to set default labels on a dashboard through the JSON, the dashboard model, and they are always present on the dashboard. You can edit them. You can clear the value, but you cannot remove the label from the UI bar. You also have the ability to restore back to your original default value. Next, we have the group by variable, which is a new variable type. It also supports default values, as both group by and ad hoc filters, they go hand in hand quite nicely. And it works very similarly to ad hocs from a technical point of view. So basically, what the group by does is it'll take the values from the input and basically send that to the Prometheus data source, which is also going to look at all the queries in the dashboard, find the aggregate prompt kill queries, and basically attach a by clause using that values grouping selection. So currently, this is behind a feature toggle. But we're planning on GAing this soon. Another enhancement is around the suggestions. We now have context-aware filter suggestions. The context is provided by the existing filters and queries on your dashboards. So basically, the Prometheus data source will take all of these existing filters and the queries. It's going to get the metric name from the queries, and it's going to attach the filters, the existing filters on those metric names, and send that in a request to the Prometheus server, which is then going to have the context to bring back a valid list of dimensions for the front end. And we have a bit more in store. Currently, there is work on not applicable filters. So not applicable filters are basically labels that do not apply in any of the queries. So they will appear as crossed over and grayed out. So they are visibly showing that they will not work in the dashboard. There's also work plan on some performance optimizations. For example, value retrieval on dimensions that have high cardinality is it's slow because it basically returns a full list of potentially large, like a large list of values, while and we're trying to like batch them basically to have faster results. Recent filters is basically a history of earlier selected filters that would appear on your dashboard. Recommended filters is similar design-wise, but instead it will return results based on a recommendation system. And lastly, we have per panel filtering, which would allow you to filter the entire dashboard by selecting some label on some panel series. And that is it. Thank you so much. There's a QR code with that will lead you to a play dashboard where you can try out the new dashboard experience.